What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Cam, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be setting up my daily pages in my autumn faith journal. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Cam. This is Piece of the Plans, and I am so glad that you are here. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you find something here that inspires you. And if you do, I hope you'll click that like button and consider hitting that subscribe button as well. And if you decide to join in on the fun, don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, so you'll be notified every time I post new content right here for you. So today, y'all, I'm going to be setting up my daily pages in my faith journal with these gorgeous stickers from Tailor Made Creative Planning. I opened up my Happy Mail from Tailor Made Creative Planning yesterday, and I created my planner spread with the Enchanted collection. And today I'm going to be setting up my daily pages using elements from the Whisper collection. Tailor Made Creative Planning has lots and lots of options for you to choose from for each collection. You can pick the elements that work best for you in your planning style and your journaling style. So let's go through these sticker sheets really quick, and then I'm going to get my daily faith journal pages set up. So here is the freebie for September and October. Here is one of the fashion dolls. Another fashion doll. I think these two are actually from the Cozy Autumn collection. These two, and the rest of these are from Whisper. So here are some elements from Whisper. Here are the deco and florals, and some of the ink splashes. So let's jump right in. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to set up the front and back pages of this waterfall spread I'm getting ready to set up. So let me grab the florals, because that's what I want to use. And I'm going to put florals down the side of the front and back pages. So I'm going to cut these florals in half. And I'm going to start at the very top of the page. I'm going to go all the way over to the edge and lay this first flower down. I'm going to pick it up again where that first flower stopped and keep it going. And hopefully I won't have to use more than 2 flowers per front and back, because I'd like to save a couple of flowers for my actual daily pages. Just going to go all the way down the side. And then I'm going to put this last flower here. I'm going to put this last flower here on the end. Okay. So this is Monday. So we'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I want to put flowers down the back page here for Sunday. So I like how that looks, and I want to start at the back of my waterfall to create this layered look that I'm going for. So I think I'm going to come in three dots from the edge of my first page. And I'm just cutting right along the dot grid line. Just makes it very simple. Then I'm going to come in 5 over on the next set of pages. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come in right here and cut. And then I'll come in 7 for my last page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here. And I think I want to cut some tabs out of it. I think I want to make some long tabs. So let's go up 7 from the top and 7 from the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll stop here. And we'll cut our tabs out here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hope you can see me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to add some washi tape to each of these pages. And I think I'm going to go with this dark gray and gold washi. I think that this is going to match up nicely. It's got a little bit of gold foil on it, but I think this will match the Whisper collection very nicely. So I'm going to start on the Monday page, and I'm going to leave a little bit of space between the flowers and the washi tape. And I'm going to go straight along the edge of this dot grid. And then trim this washi up. And make sure we don't have any air bubbles. I think I want to go all the way to the top there. And I want to do this for all of my pages. Go right along the edge of these cutouts, right up to the edge of it without going over, and line up with these dot grid lines. And I want to do that on the front and the back of all of these pages. So let me do that and then I'll be right back. All right, now I have got all of my washi tape set up on all of the tabs. It looks good all the way through to the back page. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to go in and I want to write the days of the week on these little tabs. That's what I want to put on these tabs here. So let me do that super quick. I think I'm going to do it with my pencil just in case I make a mistake. That would be horrible, right? Now I'm going to go over my pencil lines with my Pigma Micron 03. all of my tabs are set up. Got all of my days of the week written on these little tabs here. And one of the awesome things about this Archer and Olive 160 GSM paper is I don't have to worry about reinforcing these tabs because they are sturdy. They're not going to go anywhere as long as I'm not like rough handling it. These tabs are going to be just fine. So because I didn't know how these pages were going to land, I did not draw my weekly boxes. I normally have 3 boxes per page. One for prayer, one for scripture, and then one that rotates between a quote, an affirmation, or my thoughts for the day. So now that I have the base set up for all of my pages, I can go in and add my boxes. So let me do that super quick, and then we're going to come back and do my favorite part, which is decorate. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm so excited to add these stickers to the spread. These stickers from the Whisper collection from Tailor Made Creative Planning. Let's get to it. Okay, let's start with our girl right here who's at the window with her pumpkin. She is adorable. And we'll add her, and we'll also put a little, let's put a splash in here of brown right above her. Right there. Love it. And then we'll add the other girl who's by the window on the opposite page. I just think they look like they should be in the same vicinity. I don't know why. There we go. Let's add these little socks in here. And let's add some of this yarn for knitting. I really want to make one of those, I want to make one of those viral blankets out of the, I don't know what they're called. But they're like, they look like cable knit blankets to me. And they've been all over the internet for the last couple years. And I've been wanting to make one. I think I might make one this year. I just need to get the stuff from, I need to get all the supplies from Michael's. I'm gonna put one of these little splashes under these socks. There we go. Then I'm going to pull in some of these florals, just cut them in half and put them at the top of both of these pages, the Monday and the Tuesday page. Lovely, lovely. Let's move on to Wednesday and Thursday. I think I'm going to need a few more florals in this spread, so I'm pulling in the Anika's Creative Closet Art of Becoming Boho Florals stickers to add a little bit more floral goodness to these pages. I'm going to pull this out because I think these flowers will go nicely with what we got going on here. So I'm going to cut these in half. I put some at the top of one page and the bottom of the other page. And then I want to add this doll with the scarf up at the top of this box. And let me just put a little bit of layering behind her. There you go. Do one splash of the brown too, because I want to use all of the things. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. And let's put this cute little chocolate lab in the dog bed in this next section. Because, like, are we for real? He is so adorable. So adorable. And we'll layer him up first this time so I don't have to pull him back up. And then we'll put him right here. He is so cute. Then we'll add this little sweater hanging up above him. It's a sweater with hanging on a stick with leaves. So cute. And we'll put that right here in the center. Then I want to add this little window on the next page. And we'll put it in the middle. We'll put it in the middle here. And then we'll add the doll. Let me pull that up some. She's taller than I thought. I'll pull it all the way up to the top without going over. And then add her in here. Perfect. Then I want to add this banner of acorns, either in the middle or on the side. I think I'll put it on the side. I think this side is good. Just angle it. There we go. And then we'll put a little candle in this corner here. Okay, then let's move on to Friday and Saturday. And that is going to do it for my daily pages here in my Autumn Faith Journal. I love how these pages came together. I've got the beautiful stickers from Tailor Made Creative Planning, the florals down the side, the dolls, and other fall images on each page. This is how Monday and Tuesday came together. I love the little waterfall tabs too. They turned out really nice. So this is Wednesday and Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and Sunday for sermon notes. Y'all, this came out just the way I saw it in my mind when I was thinking about how I was going to put the spread together. Everything came together just the way I wanted it to. I love these waterfall pages with the tabs. And this was so much fun to put together. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I hope you'll take a moment and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the notification bell as well, so you'll be notified every time I post new content right here for you. I hope that you are having a wonderful start to the fall season. I hope you're getting your planners and journals all dressed up for the season. And I hope that your week is full of love, joy, and most of all, peace. I'll see you next time.